In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Fusion, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill Service. Tap on Google Password Manager and tap on any password that you wish to get rid of. Then enter your login method, hit Delete next to Edit, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!